Welcome. Our team name is Null Pointer. We are student of Pondicherry University, Department of Computer Science. Our project title is Chatbot. Problem statement ID is 1631. Problem statement title is AI powered student assistant chatbot for Department of Technical Education, Government of Rajasthan. Theme is Smart Education and team ID is 18190. So problem statement category is software. The proposed solution is a centralized, automated and efficient system where the chatbot will optimize the communication process, and it will be user friendly, where we will be including the frequently asked question, so that the user don't need to struggle. They just ask from that flow. Also they can ask freely, and we are using the powerful NLP framework called rasa. It is an open source tool, and we'll go to next technical approach. Here the instruction can be voice, text as input, and the platforms where the interaction take place, your own website, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Slack and Google, and the custom connectors we can use wherever we want. We can integrate using APIs. And this socket IO, it's like an WebSocket where this request and post and all take place, so that we can real time connect the server with the front end. Then Python is used for many things. Here for voice and all we will be using Python. Then also multilingualistic can be achieved using detecting the input language and then translating to the intent language, and the bot process it. Then the processed output is again translated to the user's input language, as we detected before. It can be done using Python. And for data visualization, here the rasa has a tracker which saves the default tracker saves itself in the local storage. If we link with SQLite, it stores in the database. From database we make it as a visualization using metabase, where we will get the clear information which question is asked more, and at what time, what month, or that we can analyze, so that we can improve our chatbot, and also we can know which course they are all are asking for. And also using database we can also add previous year marks, and then by actions, Python actions, we can give suggestions based on their marks. We can give suggestions, will they get the seat or not, like that. It will be more helpful. And the technologies which we chosen all are open source, and they are compatible with each other. Let's move to the another slide. Feasibility and viability. Feasibility, in technical, as I mentioned before, it's all open source, and also they are compatible with each other in all circumstances, like integration, scalability can do in all the technologies which we chosen. And community driven support also we can get. Financially, we don't need any license, we don't need to purchase any license. We just want to develop and deploy only maintain cost we should take care. Then feedback we can get a form from the users as a feedback, and we can analyze it for updating the chatbot in future. And also data integration is an important part where it ensures the accuracy. For that we should do data validation, and complex queries can be handled using if they ask like what's the time and all, we can use fallback and all fallback thing like ChatGPT can incorporate with it so that it will answer for that kind of questions which our bots don't know how to answer means. And preference optimization, tuning the database. Yes, tuning database should be done like so that the optimization will be achieved in peak time. We can incorporate frequently asked questions so that the load can be reduced. Let's move to another slide. Impacts and benefits. Potential impacts on the targeted audience, like social impact, which is a main impact where the not only the language barrier we breaks using chatbot, we can also achieve like if a student don't have any guidance or circle with educated peoples, they can use this chatbot so that they can get an idea on it will act as a guide for their higher education purpose. They can ask questions and regarding how to join it will helpful at real time, and they don't want to wait for mails or administrative reply. It ensures the smoother inquiry process, and also manpower will be reduced and cost cutting is done. Then the staff don't need to answer the repeatedly ask the questions, frequently ask the questions, so that the time and resource can be consumed, which chatbot automates it easily. Only the important queries can be done. Like so the researchers and the reference papers which I took. Let's move to the project which we done. I just cloned this page and added this. See, we'll refresh it. Let's stop. It's telling like welcome to technical education. I'm here to provide the information about that admission fees and all. It's under development. We just add some simple queries only. We are in the stage of data gathering. After we finish, we will be making it work. It's telling like I'm a smart chat, your gateway to the thing as this is our title, so that we just incorporate it. Let's ask a button which we can add more buttons like admission for all. It lists us this what, and we can move further. Okay, thank you. Great crayon. This is a simple chatbot which we made. We are working on it. It will be made easily. Thank you for watching. Thank you.